Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1956 Ford Thunderbird, finished in a very rare color, sage green. Beautiful color combo, huh Mike?
Sage green and white, and the data plate confirms that, that's how that was delivered from the factory, with the wide white walls and the wire wheel hubcaps. So this 56 is an interesting model in the 3-year run of what I call the baby birds. It's the middle year. It has the purity of the original design with the 55, but it adds a lot of safety features. There are about 30 different features on the car that are different from the 55. The important one, the most important one being the Continental Kit that's integrated into the body, whereas on the earlier ones that had to be added on as an aftermarket, never looked as good. The taillights, a lot of the safety features in terms of door locks, recessed steering wheel, etc., and the vents on the side, which make for a much better, cooler ride. And the the wind vents as well.
Oh yeah, I love those.
So that's all. Now what's interesting about this particular car is that this is an Amos Minter restoration. He's considered one of the best of the T-Bird restorers.
He's a Thunderbird expert.
He is a true expert and a terrific restorer, and he does them in various levels. And this one cost $66,000 some odd dollars to restore.
Just
and
the restoration.
We have the bill, just for restoration, without the car.
Wow.
So this is a true, what they call nut and bolt. Everything has been addressed. There's no part of it that hasn't been, brought up to either new standard or replaced. It is the original engine. It's a 312 with 2 1/4 horse, which was what you got when you got a o-Matic. If you ordered the stick, it was a 292 with I think 198 horsepower. So this is more powerful.
With a dress-up kit on it.
And it's got a dress-up kit, right? Exactly, which consists of the chrome air cleaner and the chrome fin valve covers. You see the engine's been detailed, all the correct stamps.
Very pretty.
Everything has been done. It has air conditioning, which is they were all dealer installed. There was no actual Ford
Option.
factory air. So this is just how it would have come if you ordered it from the factory.
Yeah, power brakes, power steering, right?
Power steering really makes a difference on this car too. It's a pleasure to drive. So it has 3 tops, Mike. It has a hard top, a brand new soft top, and a tonneau cover.
Oh, it just covers the cab,
Just
right?
covers the cab, but it's got all the snaps and everything, and it's also in the same sage green color.
Very cool. The sage green is ZE, I take.
Yeah. Well, no, actually, I think that ZD, whatever that says, is a combination. It's sage and white. That's how they do it. It's
that
two-tone.
explains it.
Yeah.
I love all the correct
and the
factory
trim is
markings.
the same. The trim is the same thing too. Green and white, and the trim tab says that.
Oh.
Town and country radio, which works, which means that's a signal-seeking radio with 2 ranges, one for strong signals and one for weaker signals when you're in the city.
Cool.
Those are the heavy-duty Thunderbird mats, thick rubber mats.
Yeah.
So this just
put a brand new battery in it too, so the tie down is in
push
the
down here and release it gently so that it doesn't scratch on the.
So, that's the tonneau cover?
That's the tonneau cover,
Okay.
brand new. And this should have been put on when we put in the battery. We didn't replace the tie down, but it just bolts right on. And there's a 56 T-Bird license plate frame for the new one.
There's a jack.
Yeah, that's the original jack. That's how they came, and that's how they were installed. It's got the right cardboard inserts on the inside of the fenders, correct mats.
Yeah, beautiful.
All done correctly. All these seams you see here show that this car was not butchered. It was, it was very original and excellent condition when the restoration started.
Very cool. Can you fire it up, Mike? Fire it up, baby.
Is the battery disconnected?
No. Hold tight.
Oh, it's got to be in neutral.
Oh, you got to put it in neutral there. There it goes. That helps a little, right?
Yeah.
Oh man, sounds great, huh?
Yeah, she's smooth as can be.
I don't even think that engine is moving at all. That is just awesome.
Very quiet, no lifting noise. There you can get an idea of the
A nice sound to it.
nice and throaty. The top is a very high-grade vinyl. Just the way they were.
As it was. Got the right seat belts in
Mileage
here.
reads
71,
which probably
61. Yeah.
based
So,
on
you know, this
the
is
condition of the car. You know, all the seams and everything like that didn't require a lot of extensive body work. You know that these were telescopic steering wheels. That was a factory option. Not option, factory standard. This unscrews and you pull it in and out.
okay. Very cool. What a pretty car. I've seen a lot of Thunderbirds around, but nothing like this.
This is the
This
condition.
is just cool.
The condition and the color combination really makes this very, very special.
It really does. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's weebyautos.com. Thanks again for showing us your car, Mike.
Pleasure, Mike. Always good to see you.
You too, my brother.